Hello, my dear students. Hello, Nikhil. Hello, everybody. Hello, guys. Let us wait for few 1 or 2 minutes. Hi, guys. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Hi, guys. Hi, Mr. Sai Kiran. How we are doing? How is your preparation? Very good evening, Neha. Very good afternoon. Hello, my dear students. Going well, right, Sai? Chalo, let's start. People were saying science, science, science. So now we are here with the science. My voice is not clear. Like increase the sound I got. Whether the sound is not clear. Everybody? Okay, it is right. Fine. Chalo. So we have see important questions, and you can see we are going to discuss chemical reactions and equation in this video. Okay, we are going to discuss few questions, and then we will take few queries, few questions on this chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask us. We'll set a time for that also. You can ask. We will answer your queries directly. Okay, right, boys and girls? Chalo, let's see the first question. Reactive metals are good reducing agent. Reactive metals are good reducing agent. Like this is based on chemical reaction, so I brought it here. The most suitable example related to this. See, you know that reactive metals are very good reducing agent that you have seen in metals and non-metals, where you are going to use one of the metal as a reducing agent. Like a very common reducing agent we have used is coke, right? That is carbon we have used as a reducing agent. But do you can you name it, like which is a reducing agent, which is a suitable reaction other than coke? See, carbon is not a metal, right? Carbon is not a metal. Carbon is a non-metal, right, guys? So this option will not come. So what you think? What is the answer? What is the answer? What answer is the first question? Reactive metals are good reducing agent. The most suitable example related to this. Okay, most people are telling the option is C, but I am saying option is not C because carbon is not a metal na yaar. This Lakshmi Maruti, who is that? So actually, let me explain. You guys listen this video carefully. Okay, listening is also important, and kindly keep in your hand pen and book is required compulsory. Okay, see here. Uh, Carbon is not a metal, so you cannot use as a reducing agent. So this is not. Aluminum is a metal. It is a used as a reducing agent. You have seen that in a displacement reaction, aluminum is more reactive than manganese. Even we have used in a thermit reaction also aluminum, right? Correct. So aluminum is a metal and it is a reducing agent. So most suitable example for this is B option. Hydrogen is not a metal. You can't take it as a reducing agent, remember. Okay. So the option is B. Okay, Sanjana, your answer was very good. It was right. B option was right. So the next question. Copper, when exposed to air for a long time, it acquires a green coat. Why? When copper is exposed to air for a long time, it acquires a green coat. Tell me the reason why it gets a green coating. Very good, active gamer. That's perfectly fine. Perfectly right. Copper copper reacts with carbon dioxide present in atmosphere to form copper carbonate. What it forms? Copper carbonate. That is a green coat. It is a green coat. Okay, it is actually undergoing corrosion. It get corroded. Matlab it is undergoing corrosion. You can say it is undergoing what? Corrosion. Okay. Copper react with carbon dioxide which is present in atmosphere to form copper carbonate. Okay, it is undergoing corrosion, right? CuCO3. Yeah, exactly, Shashidhar. Yeah, fine. Chalo. Next question. Does the following reaction takes place when zinc is added to ferrous sulfate? Guys, can you tell us, like, zinc is added to ferrous sulfate, whether the following reaction takes place? Yes or no? Tell me. Hello everybody. Shashidhar, a copper react with oxygen was not right. A protection is not correct. It is undergoing corrosion. Active gamer says no. Soumya says no. Akhil says no. Lakshmi Kamwar says yes. AK gamer say no. Okay. Okay. That Miss Sanjana I think says yes. Sai Kiran says no. Anil says no. Okay, this Usha S, that is I think who is that? Jai Shri Pratap says yes. So actual answer is, let's see here. I taught you during our normal classes, regular classes. Please, please for potassium, stop for sodium, calling for calcium, me for magnesium, A aluminium, Zenius, Zenius, Zn zinc, instead, that is iron, iron for instead. So which is above? Genius, zinc is above the iron, so obviously zinc is more reactive. Zinc is more reactive, so reaction will takes place. So what it will form? Zinc plus FeSO4. It will displace iron because zinc is more reactive than iron. Zinc is more reactive than iron. So the reaction takes place when zinc. So this is the answer. Yes, displacement reaction takes place. Displacement reaction takes place because zinc is more reactive. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, understood? Okay. I wrote the reactivity series also on the screen. You can see this is the reactivity series, but up to where it was required, up that I wrote, that much only I wrote. The reaction between, next question, lead nitrate and potassium iodide solution is the example of what type of chemical reaction? Reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide solution is an example of what type of chemical reaction? Explain that and write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. Can you tell us that? Yeah, CR Suresh. Very good, Soumya. That's no, Jaishri. That is not a decomposition reaction. Very good, Akanksha. Lakshmi Maruti. That is perfectly right. Yeah, active gamer, Itachi. Hello. So it is an example of reaction between lead nitrate. It is an example of double displacement reaction. Everybody please write down in your book and type the answer also please. Double displacement reaction. Okay. Is example of what? Explain. Like, let us write first balance equation. So, just a minute. You write the equation for this and write down in your notes also, please. Just a minute. Give me a 1 minute, please. Seats limited ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 40 ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 40 ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ 22 ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಹೌದು 3 hours ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದೇ 3.5 to 4 hours ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದು ನೀವು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ double displacement reaction lead nitrate PbNO3 twice plus potassium iodide. Potassium iodide. What is the formula of potassium iodide? Potassium iodide. It gives rise to Pb. See, double displacement reaction. Pb will be coming to K place, K will be coming to Pb place. So you will get PbI2 actually. Okay, PbI2. Okay, and this is yellow PPT, remember. It is yellow PPT. And potassium nitrate, KNO3 will get. Okay, this is the equation. Now we have to balance it. Here I2 is there, you can see here. So to balance this 2, we have to put here 2K will become. So to balance 2K, we have to give here 2K NO3. So NO3 already 2 is there, so it is balanced reaction. Okay, everyone? Right, everybody? Now this is yellow PPT, remember. Which PPT? Yellow PPT, remember. Okay, and you can write double displacement reaction definition: the reaction in which mutual exchange of ions takes place between the reactant in a solution. The reaction in which mutual exchange of ions takes place between reactant in a solution. Right? Understood, everybody? Chalo, let's see the next question. Right. The substance that is oxidized in the following reaction. The substance, which substance is oxidized in a reaction? Tell me which substance is oxidized in this reaction. Jayashri is telling B. HCl is okay. A option, matlab Akhil is saying HCl. Geeta Gowda is saying HCl. First of all, you should know what is oxidized. Oxidation matlab what? Oxidation matlab gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Correct? Correct? Marco is telling HCl. Arvind is also telling HCl. Okay, active gamer is also saying HCl. Reduction is what? Reduction. Loss of oxygen, or you can say gain of hydrogen. Okay, so here you can see in the reaction that what is happening. See here, we want oxidize, so either we have to see gain of oxygen or we have to see loss of hydrogen. See here HCl, you can see this HCl. This HCl is losing hydrogen and becoming Cl2. It is losing hydrogen and becoming what? Cl2. Correct? HCl is losing hydrogen and becoming Cl2. So A is the answer. MnO2 is reduced because MnO2 is losing oxygen and becoming MnCl2. So you can write MnO2 is reduced. Okay, and HCl is oxidized. Guys, understood? ಸುರೇಶ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚಲೋ ಇರ್ತದಪ್ಪ. Okay, the next question is, what is exothermic reaction? What is exothermic reaction? What is exothermic reaction? The reaction in which, very good Akhil, very good Faizan, array loss of Shiv, releasing of heat. Yeah, very good Sai, very good Shashidhar, very good Jaishri, very good Rolex. Yeah, the reaction in which heat is liberated is called exothermic reaction, right? Heat is liberated, so it is called exothermic reaction. Yeah, fine. So now what is the question? Why respiration is considered as exothermic reaction? We have to write equation also. So let us write C6H12O6 plus 6O2 give rise to C6 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy, right? So this reaction in respiration, in respiration, glucose is broken down, broken down, glucose is broken down in presence of oxygen to release energy. Okay, to release energy. Energy is released. Okay, so that is why it is called as exothermic reaction, respiration. Understood, guys? Okay, the next question is, what is the next question? Small amount of ferrous sulfate is heated in a hard glass tube. Write the chemical equation and what type of reaction it is. Let us see. Can you tell us? Okay, Shashidhar says it is a decomposition. Shashidhar, exactly, very good Soumya, it is a but exactly what kind of decomposition it is? Yeah, it is a decomposition, but what kind of decomposition it is? Okay, yeah, it is exactly. It is a, write a chemical. First answer is the what type of chemical, right? We are going to write B answer. It is a thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition reaction. Okay. Small, write a chemical equation. So FeSO4 is heated in a hard glass tube. So what you will get? What you will get? Tell me what is the product? Guys, what are the products? What are the products? So we got it, thermal decomposition. What are the products you will get if you heat it? FeSO4. Very good, Lakshmi Maruti. That's perfectly right. Yeah, very good. Your preparation is looking good. Fa2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. Okay, this is thermal decomposition. Decomposition reaction are three types, you know. That is one, thermal decomposition. Second is photo decomposition. And third is electrolytic decomposition. Correct? There are three decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition, photo decomposition, electrolytic decomposition. Can you name this? this AgCl give rise to Ag plus Cl2. It is an example of what type of reaction? 2AgCl give rise to Ag plus Cl2 is a what type of reaction? Photo decomposition reaction, photolytic or photo decomposition reaction. Perfectly right, perfectly right. Yeah, exactly, perfect. Very good. And this reaction is used in black and white photography. Am I right? The above reaction is used in black and white photography. Correct or no? You remember, right? So this is photo decomposition. Can you tell me this reaction H2O give rise to H2 plus O2? Can you name this? It is a what kind of reaction? This is a what kind of reaction? H2O give rise to H2 plus O2. Can you name this? It is a what kind of reaction? H2O broke decomposed to give H2 plus O2. Very good, Reshma. That's perfectly right. Very good, active gamer. Geeta, Arvind, Santosh. Very nice. Akanksha. Yeah, it is a electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Okay. Now, without anywhere cheating, can you tell me in which electrode hydrogen gas is formed and which electrode oxygen gas is formed? Can you tell me in which electrode hydrogen gas is formed? In which electrode hydrogen gas is formed? Which electrode hydrogen gas is formed? Which electrode hydrogen gas is formed? Shagufta is saying anode, Suresh is telling cathode, Reshma is saying cathode. Okay. See, hydrogen is positive charge, so it will go towards negative electrode. Negative electrode is cathode, remember. It will come in your exam. So hydrogen will form at cathode and oxygen will form at anode. Can you tell me which gas is double? Which gas is double? Hydrogen at cathode, remember. Oxygen at anode, remember. Can you tell me which gas is double? Very good, Akanksha. That is right. Yeah. Hydrogen gas is double, remember. Which gas is doubled? Hydrogen gas is double. Hydrogen gas is double of oxygen. If they ask a reason, you can write that in a molecule of water, there are 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Okay. 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Let's see the next question now. Let's see our next question, boys and girls. Yeah, the next question is from chemical reaction and equation is, let's see, zinc oxide plus carbon to give zinc plus carbon monoxide, which is oxidized and reduced. Reshma, you are absolutely right. Soumya, it is not still we did not reach to that question. 9th, we are in 8th still. Very good. Lakshmikant, Faizan. No, Soumya, still we are not in that question. Sagar, very good. Zinc, okay, very good. C. Vakesh Kumar, okay, right, yeah, very good, very good. Most of the students are giving the right answer. So here see, which is oxidized. Who is gaining oxygen? Oxidation, matlab just we wrote in above, oxidation in the sense, it means that gaining of oxygen. Gaining of oxygen, memorize it, gaining of oxygen. So who is gaining oxygen here? Carbon is gaining, see here, C is gaining oxygen and becoming CO after gaining. Okay, so C is oxidized. C is oxidized to CO. Okay, boys and girls, understood? The next one. Now who is reduced here? What is the meaning of reduction? Reduction is nothing but loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. So here you can see zinc oxide, it is oxygen is there. Now no oxygen. So it is what? Reduced. Zinc oxide is reduced to what? Zinc. Okay. Understood. Understood. Chalo, let's see the next question then. What we are giving the question in your board exam will appear from here only, see. Everything is covered in this video. Everything is covered. Soumya is right here. So list the changes that are taking place during a chemical reaction. So what are the changes takes place? Change in state. Correct? Change in state. Very good, Jaishri. Very good, Akanksha. Second, change in color. Shiva Jagdisa, Shashidhar, very good, active gamer. Then change in temperature. Then evolution or liberation of gas. Evolution of gas. One more, formation of precipitate. Precipitate aroma will come downward, remember. Okay. Very good. But in a chemical reaction, chemical change is must. Chemical change should be there. Whatever the reactant are there, the product should be different chemically. Okay. So chemical change is must here. Okay. The next question is here. Calcium hydroxide. Okay. Shiv Bovi chloralkali process is there. Yeah. We'll teach you that also. We'll cover it better. Anil Kumar definitely will cover it. Whatever the important questions are there, all will be given to you all. Like, let's see. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide give rise to calcium carbonate plus water. Write the balanced chemical equation for this. Let's see how many students can write it. So, calcium hydroxide is CaOH twice. Carbon dioxide is CO2. Give rise to. Very good, Nikhil. That's perfectly right up. Brilliant preparation is looking. Shashidhar, you are doing very good. Huh? Hats off to you all, guys. Zen education, very good, yaar. Perfect. So, you know it is a confirmation test for carbon dioxide, right? So, you will get CaCO3. CaCO3 plus H2O. You know CaCO3 is what? It is a calcium carbonate and it is a white color PPT. It is a white color PPT. Yeah, Anil Kumar, we will cover everything. Okay, so see, in this many questions we have from a chemical reaction and equation. Just patiently watch. So it is a white color PPT. Okay, this is a white color PPT, calcium carbonate. It is a confirmation test for carbon dioxide. Now, can you tell me what happened when you pass excess of carbon dioxide? When you pass excess of carbon dioxide, now what is going to happen? Do you know what is going to happen? Sanjay, tell me what is going to happen when you pass excess of carbon dioxide. No, but Soumya, now it has turned milky. This is CaCO3 is there, na? It is turned into milky. Okay, this is colorless. This is colorless. When you pass carbon dioxide, now it is milky white. Okay, very good, Lakshmikant. It turns into colorless. Very good, very good. So when you pass excess of carbon dioxide, it turns into colorless. Why? Due to formation of what? Formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate. Hope you are writing in your book this what I am giving now. Trust me, this is very important. CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2, you are passing excess of carbon dioxide. So what is happening? Okay, Prabhakar, you are doing good, huh? Very good, Prabhakar. CaHCO3 twice. This is colorless. Okay, and it is soluble in water. Remember, soluble in water. Okay. Excess of carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate, milky white will turn into colorless. Okay. Chalo, next question now. In electrolysis of water, which gas is double and why? Name the gases forming at which electrode. Just now I explained you the same concept question. In electrolysis of water, this is H2O. It is electricity is passed through. You will get H2 plus oxygen. Let us balance it. Oxygen 2, so 2 will be given 2. Correct? Which gas is double? Hydrogen gas is double than oxygen. Hydrogen gas is double than oxygen because in a molecule of water there are two atoms. See, H2O adala, adraga ಎಷ್ಟು hydrogen ada? Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. You can see here only one oxygen is it, but two hydrogen are there. So obviously hydrogen will be more than oxygen, right? Now which gas is formed at which electrode, that you should write. So which gas is formed? Just now we told you hydrogen gas liberated or formed at cathode and oxygen at anode. Okay. Yes, Soumya. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Your preparation for chemical reaction and equation looks good, right? Next question. What happens when water is added to quicklime? See, in your textbook, there is a one activity which says that if it is a beaker and in this beaker you are having a quicklime, think it. This is CaO. Now you will add water. Okay, if you add water to it, H2O, if you add water, what happen? What will happen when you touch the beaker? What will happen when you touch the beaker? What happen when you will touch the beaker? What happen? Yes, the beaker is hot, so what happens? Heat is liberated because it is a exothermic reaction. Correct? The beaker was hot. Why the beaker was hot? Because it is a exothermic reaction. Am I right? Yeah. So now reaction you write down CaO plus H2O. What will form? Very good, Shiv Kumar. 100% right. Yeah, Gen Education. Temperature will change. Increase in temperature you will see. Very good, Shiva Jagdish. Calcium hydroxide is formed with heat liberated. Perfectly right, man. Sanjay, you are absolutely right, man. Very good, Jayashri. The perfect. Sanjay, perfect. Sanjay, H2O नहीं आएगा ना यार. Yeah, Soumya. So CaOH twice will form. CaOH twice. And this is a balance equation. You can see here 1O plus 1O, 2O. Here also 2O we have. Correct? 2O we have. Hydrogen also we have a 2. Okay. Okay. This is called slaked lime. What it is called? Slaked lime. Right? 12th question again. Mohammad Rafiq. See, Rafiq here, what happens when water is added to quicklime? When quicklime is CaO, When you add water to the quicklime, the heat is liberated. So when you will touch the beaker, like here, if you touch the beaker was hot. Why the beaker was hot? Because the reaction is exothermic. Okay, the reaction is exothermic, and the reaction is written on the screen. Chalo, 13th question. Can you tell us the 13th one now? 13th question. Let's see how many students can answer this 13th question. 13th question. On heating green crystals of ferrous sulfate, it turns to white. Why? Why the green crystal of ferrous sulfate will turn to white? Tell me and write. Very good, Shiv Kumar. Perfect answer, huh? Perfect. Very good, Lakshmi Maruti. Perfect answer. Crystallization melts, you can't say Soumya. It loses. It loses water molecule. It loses water molecule. So actually what happens here? FeSO4 7H2O. If you heat it, it will become FeSO4 plus 7 molecules of water will be liberated. Okay. So it loses 7 molecules of water. So it forms. Yeah, Mashrat, it loses water molecule. बहुत late से आई. It loses water molecule. So it is white color. Okay, it is white in color. Okay. Okay, dear students. And already FeSO4 thermal decomposition we have seen, right? Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3 we have seen, right, boys and girls? Right, star, you are absolutely right. Perfectly right. Write decomposition of lead nitrate and name the brown fumes gas. Write the decomposition of lead nitrate and name the brown fume gas. Very good, Soumya. Very good, Akhil. Active gamer, कौन सा गैस है? Rolex, Varsha, nitrogen dioxide is right. Sanjay, nitrogen dioxide, perfectly right. Decomposition of lead nitrate. Let us see decomposition of lead nitrate. PbNO3 twice. If it is heated, it will give what product? Lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen, right? Right? Correct? Now we have to balance this equation. You can see here nitrogen are 2 here. Nitrogen are 2. So I am going to give here 2. Correct? So how many oxygen will become? 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. Then this oxygen is 7. So 7 is not possible. Odd number you cannot balance it. You have to make it even number. So what I will do here, I will make it 2. So 2 oxygen will become 8 oxygen will become. Correct? So now what I will do, because lead became 2, so I will make it here 2. Now everything will change. Properly watch now. We are at the most, last stage of balancing. 2 2s are 4. 4 nitrogen will become. So to make it 4 nitrogen, we have to give here 4. Right? 4 nitrogen. And oxygen is balanced. You can count the number of oxygen. It is balanced. Right? Now which name the brown fume? This is brown fume. Brown fumes. The gas name is nitrogen dioxide. Brown fume gas, it is liberated. Which gas is liberated? Brown fumes gas is liberated. Okay. Remember that green crystals of ferrous sulfate is heated, it loses water, it loses 7 molecules of water and gets white color. This is also very important. Very good, Rice Star. Perfect. Huh? This reaction is very, very important. Everybody should memorize this reaction. It should be like totally should be perfect. Totally, it should be perfect. Now, this write down 15th reaction. Iron plus copper sulfate. Complete and balance the equation and name the reaction. Okay, Sanjay. Brown fume gas is nitrogen dioxide should be written. Jayashri, Varsha, displacement, Akanksha, displacement, yeah, active gamer, displacement reaction. Tell me the balance equation and can you tell me what is the color of copper sulfate and after the reaction what will be the color? What is the color of copper sulfate and after reaction what will be the color? Okay, Shiv Kumar, it is blue in color. Yeah, active gamer. It is, I understood like it is blue, it was written. Yeah. Okay, it is copper sulfate is blue in color. Perfect. Okay. After the reaction, the color of copper, I mean, what color will become? Very good, Lakshmikant. Very good. Shiv Kumar, after reaction, it fades. 100% right. 100% right. Right star, you are right. Blue color. It gets light green color, you can say light green color. Yeah, very good. Huh? Perfect. So the reaction will become Fe plus CuSO4 give rise to FeSO4 plus copper. Exactly, the reaction name is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Because why displacement reaction? Iron is more reactive. Iron is more reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. Okay. Now, is copper sulfate is blue in color. Blue in color. Okay, blue in color. It fades. It fades. Matlab it becomes light. It fades to light green color, you can say. Okay. Why? Due to formation of, why the color gets fades or why the color. Okay, Mohammad Rafiq. Why the color gets fades? Due to the formation of FeSO4. Copper sulfate is blue. Okay, but FeSO4 is light green. Color gets fades due to reaction, displacement reaction. Okay. Okay now everybody, understood now? Next question. Next question. Write down. A solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Now, a question is what? Name the substance X and write its formula. Aram se, not in urgently. Huh? Please carefully. The question is very confusing here. Write the reaction of substance X named in A above with water. Okay, very good. Many students have answered this, right? Yeah, that's great. Many students have given right answer. I thought you guys will not able to say. So name a substance X. Actually, what you know, solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Some substance is used for whitewashing, and then we have to write the reaction of that substance X with water. So the reaction is this CaO plus H2O. We are writing B answer to form CaOH twice. Correct? Okay, so this is the reaction. So what is that substance X? A answer now. The substance X is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. You can say quicklime also. Calcium oxide, or you can say quicklime also. Okay.